Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're a hypnotherapist and you're looking for a website for your business, then you're definitely in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to create a website for your business. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. See how well it works for you in your small business. So once you've registered a free trial account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, hypnotherapy service. There it is over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marcy Starts a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world you're a hypnotherapist, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Site work its magic and generate